welcome to Monday's Assembly. I'm so glad to see you here today. Lots to talk about. Not only is this a challenge assembly, and we're going to be learning the last of the alphabet in British Sign Language with Ms. Hume in a moment, but it is also a week where we're going to be doing a couple of things that I think you may enjoy. The first thing is that it's Safer Internet Day tomorrow, the 9th of February. And because of that, all week, the teachers are putting together things to work with you about how to be safe and how to do things safer, particularly when you're doing things on the internet. Because just like when we are outside, we need to be careful of stuff like stranger danger. We need to know who we can trust and who we can't trust. We also need to know that sometimes always being online is not all that great. And we need to make sure that we do other things and we talk to our parents and to our adults in our lives when we're worried or concerned about anything, even if it's something online. So, the parents, you're going to be getting a nice information around what you can do with your children to help keeping them safe online. And children, you're going to be doing some work with your teachers over the week to do the same thing. Now, if we all work together, we can really learn how to be safe online. Now, the next thing is something that's happening on Friday. You do remember what Positive Post-it Day is, don't you? Here's some things that we did last year. Do you remember now? Positive Post-it Day is where we are to write positive things about ourselves as well as positive things about each other. And in your work pack that you received last week, you had a sheet in your packet that looked like this. Yeah, specially made for Positive Post-it Day. And the challenge is for you to create a positive message of gratitude or happiness or hope and love, and then you to post them on the windows of your house or on school's Twitter site, or put them on Tapestry, or share them on Teams. Whatever it is, show your family, show your school community, show your town and our country and the world how much we appreciate each other. We want to spread lots of love and joy on Friday. So make sure you share them with me because I love that stuff and it really makes me feel great. And I can't wait till Friday because I know it's going to be an amazing day and I'm going to read so many wonderful messages. So make sure you share those messages, share them with the world. Let's get positive with Positive Post-it Day. Now, it's time for me to turn over the assembly to Ms. Hume so she can teach us the last of the alphabet. Here we go.
Hi everyone, we're going to do S, T and U today. So first is S. We need both our little fingers one on top of the other. We're going to hook them on each other. S. And for T, our index finger just in the middle of our other hand. T. And then for U, it's our index finger pointing. And if you've noticed through these videos, this hand when we point are all our vowel sounds. A, E, I, O, U. S, T, U. Well done everyone, keep practicing. The next three in this video are V, W and X. So for V, bit like the N, but make sure we separate those fingers to make a V shape on our palm of our hand. V. W, all our fingers interlock. W. And then X, one finger over the top of the other. X. So V, W, X. Well done. Y and Z, we make the Y using our index finger and our dominant hand and top of the Y with our opposite hand, and we sit the index finger in between the thumb and the index finger on the opposite. So Y. Y. And for Z, we get our dominant hand horizontal and against the palm of our hand for Z. Y, Z. So we are going to start with A. Index finger to your thumb. A. B. Both our hands like this together. B. C. We make a C with our hand in the same shape as a C. D. Make a D shape facing you. D. E. Our index finger to our other index finger. E. F. Two fingers. Your dominant hand on top. F. G. Two fists. Your dominant hand on the top. G. H. Your dominant hand sliding across your top. H. I. Index finger to your middle finger. I. J. We make a lovely J shape from our middle finger all the way down to our thumb. J. K. Bit of a curl on our index finger. K. You see the shape of the K there. K. L. Just our one finger on the palm of our hand. L. M. Three fingers like the letter M on the palm of our hand. M. N. The same but with two. N. O. Our index finger to our ring finger. O. P. We make a P shape with our hands. P. Q. Hook our index finger just in there. Q. Q. R. We make an R sound with our index finger shape on our palm of our hand. R. S. Both our little fingers and hook it on. S. T. Our index finger along the bottom of our hand. T. U is our last finger. U. V. Two fingers. Make sure they're open like a V shape. Not an N. A V. W. X. Y. The Y shape on our hands. Y. And Z. Well done, everybody. Keep practicing.
A big week ahead. Lots to do. Practicing our challenge, learning about Safer Internet, doing our schoolwork, and then, of course, Positive Post-it Day. I think it's a great way for us to end the half term. So, are you ready? I know I am. Can't wait to see you on Friday. Bye.